Hi, this is Nick George with Cloud's Diamond Sharpening, just to show you a demonstration about barber blades sharpening. Yeah, so I can do them really well. If you don't believe me, just give me a try. Let me zoom out here so we can begin. I can sharpen trimming blades to any that can be taken apart. So most professional trimming clippers I can sharpen. Vortex, Andis, Wall, Oster, all of them. So yeah, I can surface all the clippers. Fast feed, G-Outliner, Oster 59, Finisher, Oster Finisher, sorry about that. Sharpen them all. So yeah, just send them on to me and I'll take care of it. This is a repeat customer. He's super happy. He loves how they're hitting. That means cutting the hair really well. Get rid of this rumor of how the Black Andis G-Outliners, the GTXs, are faster because they have a ground wire. That is false. Yeah, they do have a ground wire. I install them so I know it goes to the side of the motor. It has nothing to do with power. Now if you're standing in water or you get some water, yeah, it might prevent you from getting shocked, but it is not faster. But there is a difference, and I'm going to show you because this guy has one. This customer has one. Okay, this is a GTX blade. Okay, you see the difference? You might not, I do. The teeth are bigger, so these are smaller, so it's going to take in less hair. This takes in more hair, so it seems like it's faster because it has more cutting surface. The teeth are longer, it could take in more hair, and it looks about twice as much as this blade. So that is the only difference, besides being black and have a ground wire. Now, some people, they want a ground wire on here. I could do that. It doesn't make them any faster. You can put the ground wire on these too. You just bolt it to the side of the motor. It's just so the power goes, instead of going through your body, it'll try to go through the cord into the ground, so it doesn't go through you and kill you. Let's take the guides off the trimming blades. I sharpen scissors, cattle blades, just about anything. If it can hold an edge. I sharpen ceramic cutters. I do not refurbish them, and that means just put on new ones and charge you a lot more. I just sharpen them. Yeah, because I have a diamond wheel on it. It can do that. Alright, let's begin. Now time to clean. Now it's time to put them together now that they're cleaned. This trimmer has a bad cord, so I'm not going to test it in this video. It'll have its own video. Alright, hopefully none of these clippers need services. We'll find out though. So that moves really good. It adjusts. So this ain't probably gonna need a service. No. Yep. Yep. So it's good. One down, 2 more to go. Ooh. So the tension is too loose on this clipper, I could tell, because it's just about to fly off there, so we're not. So this will be in the next video also. Can't check that one. Basically what's wrong is the fork that holds the tension on the blade is too loose. How that happens, I sharpen blades, it removes just a little bit of metal. So as it removes metal, the blade gets flatter and flatter, smaller and smaller. So then the arm, as it gets smaller, it starts backing away from the arm, and then eventually it's just rattling around, so I gotta push that arm back down onto the blade. Maybe not, it's very close. Nope. See, so it cut my hair right off, it's nice and bald. Sanitize it, there you go. So this one's good. I was wrong. Alright, thank you for this wonderful adventure. I had so much fun. I can't wait until we meet again. Keep watching them videos, pull your blades. My videos are there to educate you, educate yourself. You could be a groomer for 20 years and educate yourself and be even better. An educated person is always better. Well, not always better, but most of the time. It can help. Education helps. Alright, have a nice day. Keep it sharp, keep it running, keep it oiled and running really fast. See you later.